Why does your scanner show the P200B engine code? What does it mean? P200B is a diagnostic trouble code for intake manifold runner performance bank 2. This engine code indicates that this means the car's computer powertrain control module has detected that the system controlling the flow of air into the engine's second bank of cylinders is not functioning as expected. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty IMRC actuator. Stuck or worn IMRC linkage. Damaged IMRC wiring. Air leaks. Worn or broken IMRC bushings. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Dodge and Jeep models. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.